WatSwipe, brought to you by Samson, Sid, Sparsh, Ayman, and Darsh. Isn't it exhausting after a long day of classes to open Waterloo Works, only to be met with hundreds of job postings and filters that barely work? You scroll for hours, never getting notified, and feel like you'll miss out if you don't manually check every single posting.
And let's be honest, the interface doesn't make it any easier. It's clunky, outdated, and frustrating. Instead of helping students, it often feels like a chore. The job search experience shouldn't leave you staying up all night just to maximize your chances.
There are also many browser extensions such as UW Wave and Waterloo Works Navigator trying to make the experience better, but none of them tackle the core issue, a simple mobile experience that is directly integrated with Waterloo Works. This is why we're excited to present a better way to apply to jobs, something simpler, faster, and way more engaging.
Imagine this. Instead of endless scrolling, you just swipe. Swipe right to apply, swipe left to save for later, and scroll to move on. That's it. A job application process designed to feel as natural as your favorite scrolling apps.
We call it WatSwipe, a reimagined application built for Waterloo students. No more frustration, no more wasted time, just a smarter, easier, and more intuitive way to land your next job. Let's start with the problem. Waterloo Works is the main platform students use to find co-op jobs, but it has major flaws. The navigation is confusing, filters don't really help, and the application process is just long and repetitive. On top of that, there are no useful posting alerts, so students constantly worry about missing out on opportunities. This kind of results in an exhaustive experience. Students often spend hours browsing, staying up late just to maximize their chances, instead of empowering us. The system drains our time and energy.
This is exactly what WatSwipe tackles. Simple navigation, instant applications, and posting alerts. Isn't that just so great?
Through conversations with Waterloo students, one message was clear: the current process is overwhelming. Students want something more streamlined. They want simple navigation, instant applications, and timely notifications. This feedback confirmed that there's a strong demand for an improved system built specifically for Waterloo Works users. That's exactly what WatSwipe is designed to deliver. As you can see in this chart, we collected data like whether students even wanted an app like WatSwipe, what information they value the most from job postings, and which of the following 3 UI designs they like the most. Here are the Figma mockups. You can see how simple the interface is. Job details are presented clearly and students can apply with just one swipe. We designed multiple versions and tested them with peers to refine the look and feel, making sure the UI is not just functional, but enjoyable to use.
As you can see, this is mockup 1, which clearly is the winner from the previous feedback charts that we saw. Mockup 2, on the other hand, experiments with drop-down menus, but it appears that the users didn't like the enlarged company logo. Finally, mockup 3 is overly dynamic with too many colors, is the feedback we got from our users, which explains why most of them didn't prefer this option.
Here's our roadmap. For MP1, we focused on market research. For MP2, we'll move on to refining the UI UX design. And by MP3, we'll build the backend and frontend. And finally, in December, we aim to launch the first version of this app. This timeline ensures we build carefully while still moving fast, so that students can benefit as early as possible.
This is an example of the kind of data that our system will handle. Job postings include titles, compensation, location, requirements, and even company culture. By structuring the data this way, we can power both the swipe interface and intelligent alerts.
Here's a high-level look at our system architecture. We're separating the backend, which processes job postings and manages user data, from the front end, which delivers the swipe experience. This makes the system scalable and easier to improve over time.
To wrap up, Waterloo Works is outdated, tedious, and frustrating. WatSwipe solves these pain points with a simple, swipe-based interface, instant applications, and smart alerts. Our vision is simple: job applications should be fast, intuitive, and stress-free. With WatSwipe, we're making that vision a reality for Waterloo students. Thank you for listening.